Welcome to my channel, dear friend, where learning English becomes a cozy, joyful journey. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more sweet, fun bedtime lessons. Tonight, let's begin with an outline of our Learn English While You Sleep vocabulary edition story, and I'll guide you straight into the script itself. In one gentle flow, you'll experience each idea as part of a friendly conversation. We'll open with calming words like serene and whisper, then add playful flair with gobsmacked and bamboozle, before moving through nature's best vocabulary. Verdant, gossamer, celestial. Then explore feelings like nostalgia, yearn, and euphoria, and finish with healing, lilt, solace, mellifluous endings. Ready to drift off while learning? Here we go. Welcome to our cozy corner where your mind can grow gently even as you drift off. Picture yourself sinking into your pillow, breathing slowly as I whisper the word serene, meaning calm and peaceful, like the still surface of a moonlit lake. Can you imagine that scene? Next, hear whisper, a soft, friendly voice leaning close to share a secret. What secret words might you discover tonight? And now luminous, bright, without pressure, like fairy lights dancing in your dream. Doesn't that feel comforting? Let's giggle softly together. Have you ever been so surprised you were gobsmacked? It's okay to smile while learning. You might feel eloquent one day, speaking clearly and beautifully, or find a quaint story waiting in an old cottage. Both are possibilities unfolding in your sleep. As your breath deepens, feel melancholy, a gentle, reflective sadness like watching fall leaves. And remember that fleeting moments, ephemeral as bubbles, are where beauty lives. Have you noticed those moments in your day? Let's sprinkle some fun. Bamboozle, meaning to playfully trick someone. Who's the silliest person you know? Gently now, sense the peaceful joy of solitude, the comfort of being quietly yourself, and imagine effervescent energy bubbling inside like morning sunshine. Watch light dance through leaves, dappled, and float into reverie, that dreamy space between wake and sleep. What do you like to dream about? Longing yearn for cozy hugs or big adventures? Feel the hug of nostalgia for those memories that make your heart smile and laugh softly at a silly kerfuffle, that little fuss that turns into a happy memory. Picture placid water and feel your inner calm. Then let out any built-up emotion because it's cathartic to release feelings. What made you both laugh and cry today? Now settle into hushed quiet and let the soothing word dulcet embrace you like a lullaby. Think of Sonder. Every person has their own story. How might that truth change how kindly you see others? Marvel at gossamer threads in nature, verdant fields glowing after rain, and the boundless beauty of celestial skies. Imagine floating among the stars. Did you ever watch kids in a joyful hullabaloo? That playful energy is part of life, but now we return to tranquil stillness, weightless and smooth. Drift into ethereal dreams. Feel amber warmth fill your mind and glow like something incandescent, bright from within. Celebrate your hidden discoveries, serendipity, like finding this moment of calm, and build harmony inside your heart. You deserve this peaceful respite from your day. Now rest to the gentle lilt of these words singing inside you. Imagine euphoria brushing your spirit tomorrow, solace wrapping your heart in comfort, and the softness of mellifluous thoughts drifting as you sleep. Sleep well, dream sweetly, and trust that this warm night of learning will help you bloom with confidence and joy in your English journey. Hey there, wonderful friend. Welcome to this cozy corner where learning English feels as easy as a warm hug. Tonight, you're going to discover how to learn English while you sleep. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine your mind gently opening like a flower under the soft moonlight, ready to soak in new words without any stress or rush. That's exactly what we're doing here, planting tiny seeds of vocabulary in your brain, wrapped in sweetness and calm, so they can grow quietly while you drift off into dreamland. Let's begin with some charming and lovely words that will dance softly around your thoughts. Picture the word serene. It means calm, peaceful, like a quiet lake shimmering under the stars. Imagine yourself lying comfortably on soft grass, the gentle breeze whispering lullabies just for you. That's serene. Now how about whisper? Such a sweet word. It's like a secret share between friends, soft and warm, curling around your ears like a gentle breeze. As you breathe slowly, imagine hearing whispers of these new words flowing smoothly into your mind. Here's a little sparkle for you, luminous. Think of the moon glowing softly in the night sky, or fairy lights twinkling in a cozy room. The word itself feels bright and warm, doesn't it? Learning should feel that way, glowing gently, lighting up your thoughts without pressure. Now, for a bit of fun, let's say the British slang word gobsmacked. It means utterly amazed or shocked. Picture a funny moment when you're so surprised your mouth drops open, maybe watching a magic trick or seeing a puppy do something silly. Words like this sprinkle joy and laughter into learning. Speaking of beautiful sounds, eloquent is a word that means speaking clearly and beautifully, like when someone tells a story that makes you feel all warm inside. And then there's quaint, a delightful word describing something charming and old-fashioned, like a tiny cottage with ivy growing up the walls. Let these words cuddle into your mind softly. There's no need to rush or worry. Just feel them settle like fluffy clouds on a sunny day. Now, let's add a sprinkle of poetry. The word melancholy means a gentle kind of sadness, like watching the last leaf drift from a tree or hearing a song that stirs your heart just a little. It's not heavy, just soft and thoughtful. Then there's ephemeral, which means something that lasts only a short time, like bubbles popping in the air or the glow of sunset. Remember, even brief moments can be beautiful and precious. And for a silly twist, bamboozle means to trick or confuse someone in a playful way. Isn't that a funny word? Say it softly in your mind, bamboozly. Smile at the silliness of learning new words this way. As you breathe gently now, think of solitude, the peaceful feeling of being happily alone, like reading a book by a sunny window or walking quietly in the woods. It's in these calm moments that your brain is most ready to absorb new ideas. So let solitude wrap around you like a soft blanket. Welcome back, friend. As you continue to relax and listen, your mind is opening wider, like a flower greeting the morning sun. Tonight, we're going to add some sparkling, lively words to your English treasure chest. Imagine effervescent, such a bubbly, fun word. It means full of life and energy, like soda fizzing in a glass or a friend who's always smiling and full of joy. Maybe you can feel a little effervescence bubbling up inside you right now, ready to brighten your day when you wake. Picture dappled light, spots of sunshine filtering through leafy trees, dancing softly on the ground. It's a peaceful, pretty image that your mind can hold gently as you breathe deeply. Now, think about the lovely word reverie, which means daydreaming. Isn't that a wonderful place to be? Let your thoughts float freely in reverie, imagining happy scenes and fun adventures. Let's explore feelings, those wonderful, messy parts of being human. The word yearn means to long deeply for something, like wanting a big hug from someone you love or dreaming about a faraway place. And nostalgia is that warm, fuzzy feeling you get when remembering happy times from the past. Maybe a favorite childhood game or a song that makes you smile. It's a little bittersweet, like a soft hug from your memories. Here's a giggly word, kerfuffle. It means a small fuss or silly commotion, like when friends argue playfully about which movie to watch. Imagine a funny kerfuffle at a party, laughter all around. Learning can be lighthearted like that, too. And placid means calm and peaceful, like a still lake on a quiet morning. Right now, your mind feels placid, steady, and soft. Sometimes we need a word for deep feelings. Cathartic means something that helps us release emotions, like crying during a sad movie or talking with a good friend until our hearts feel lighter. Let yourself feel anything you need. This is your safe space. And hush means soft and quiet, like a whisper in a library. This voice is hushed, gentle, and kind, guiding you deeper into calm. Imagine dulcet sounds, sweet and soothing, like a lullaby or the voice of someone who cares. And here's a modern treasure, Sonder. It means realizing that every stranger you see has a life as rich and complex as your own. Isn't that a beautiful thought? It connects us all quietly like threads in a big, soft quilt. Hello again, dear friend. Let's stroll now through the wonderful world of nature words. They're full of beauty and calm, perfect for your peaceful mind. Gossamer is a magical word meaning very delicate and light, like a spider's web glistening with morning dew or a thin silk scarf fluttering in the breeze. Imagine this softness wrapping around your thoughts like a gentle hug. Next, verdant means lush and green. Picture fields after spring rain, bursting with fresh leaves and flowers. Can you smell the earth, feel the cool shade? Verdant reminds us of life growing quietly and strong. Now, celestial, relating to the stars and sky above. Imagine floating gently among glowing stars and twinkling planets, peaceful and free. Your mind can wander softly through the vast, beautiful night. A lively word for you, hullabaloo. It means a loud noise or fuss like kids playing and shouting in the park. Maybe this makes you smile. Learning can be playful and joyful. And then there's tranquil, which means deeply peaceful, like a calm lake or a quiet heart. You are tranquil now, breathing slowly, wrapped in calm. Ethereal is a dreamy word meaning light, airy, almost magical, like morning mist or the soft glow of dawn. Picture yourself floating in ethereal light, weightless and free. Amber is a warm, golden color, like the soft glow of a candle or treasured memories glowing inside your heart. Let amber light fill your dreams with warmth and comfort. As night deepens, your mind gently absorbs words like incandescent, meaning glowing brightly, full of life and energy. Serendipity is one of my favorites. It means happy accidents like finding a lost treasure or a surprise smile. Maybe this moment is your own serendipity, a quiet gift to yourself. Harmony means a pleasing arrangement, like music where every note fits perfectly. Feel harmony growing inside you as your thoughts flow smoothly together. Respite is a short, peaceful break from difficulty. That's exactly what you're giving yourself now. And lilt means a cheerful, rhythmic sound, like a soft lullaby singing you gently to sleep. Let these words settle softly, like a cozy blanket wrapping around your mind. Welcome back, friend. You're doing wonderfully. Your mind is calm, curious, and ready to welcome even more beautiful words. These words are like little seeds planted in your brain's garden, quietly growing while you rest. You don't have to remember everything right now. Your subconscious is doing the work perfectly, storing words for you to use naturally when you're ready. Think about euphoria, a word meaning a strong feeling of happiness and excitement, like when something wonderful happens and your heart feels full. Even if you're not feeling euphoria right now, simply imagining it can brighten your mood gently. And placid returns here to remind you of calm, steady peace, like a quiet lake under the stars. There's cathartic again, that feeling of relief and release after letting go of heavy emotions. Maybe you've experienced that today, or will soon. Hushed is the softness of night, quiet and respectful, a whispered voice in the dark that comforts you deeply. Feel the dulcet tones of these words as they wrap around you, soothing and sweet. How about a modern, special word? Sonder means realizing every stranger has a life as rich and complex as yours. It's a gentle reminder that we're all connected, each story unique and beautiful. And if you ever feel flummoxed, confused, or puzzled, that's okay. It means your brain is stretching and growing, ready to learn more. A playful word to make you smile. Skedaddle means to run away quickly, like a squirrel darting up a tree. Isn't that fun? Learning English should bring joy and laughter too. And resilient means strong and able to recover quickly, like a tree bending in the wind, but never breaking. You are resilient, growing stronger every day. You've done an amazing job today, friend. Your vocabulary treasure chest is fuller with playful words like gobsmacked, kerfuffle, and skedaddle, and calming ones like placid, tranquil, and ethereal. You've walked through nature's language, verdant fields, gossamer webs, and celestial skies. You felt the warm glow of amber and the magic of serendipity. Each word is a colorful piece of your English story, shining quietly inside. Now, as you lie still and breathe deeply, feel the lilt of these words singing softly in your mind. Learning isn't just hard work, it's gentle curiosity and quiet moments like this, where your mind is open and relaxed. You're creating harmony within, giving yourself a well-earned respite from busy days. Think of the word solace, meaning comfort in tough times, a soft blanket for your heart. Or mellifluous, meaning smooth and sweet-sounding, like honey dripping from a spoon. Let mellifluous thoughts carry you softly into a peaceful sleep. Remember, these words are yours to explore every day. They will come to you naturally when you read, listen, and speak. You are becoming more fluent, confident, and joyful with every peaceful breath. Sleep well, dream sweetly, and know this calm learning moment is helping you bloom. Your peaceful brilliance shines quietly tonight. Thank you so much for spending this peaceful time with me tonight. You've done something wonderful for your mind, gently soaking in new English words while giving yourself the rest you truly deserve. Every word you heard tonight is a quiet seed planted in your memory, ready to bloom as your confidence grows. Whether it was serene, gossamer, nostalgia, or mellifluous, your vocabulary just became richer and your dreams a little sweeter. Remember, language learning doesn't always have to feel like hard work. Sometimes the most beautiful progress happens when you're resting, calm, and simply open. That's the magic of learning while you sleep. No pressure, just peaceful discovery. If you enjoyed this gentle journey, I invite you to come back anytime. Let's keep growing your English together, one relaxing night at a time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more calm and cozy English learning experiences. And if you smiled even once tonight, give this video a like and share it with someone who could use a peaceful pause. Until next time, sleep well, dream softly, and wake up brighter than ever. Good night, dear friend, and happy learning.